Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then you should not worry. Let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So I'm just going to share two very simple fixes and easy fixes for this. So first is you have to click on the start button, go to settings. We need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So click on the Windows update in the list of options on the left pane and click this button right here. So we need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our operating system. And aside from that, we have downloaded and installed the latest updates, or in short, our Windows is updated. And once you're updated, then you just have to try installing the Visual Studio again. And for the next method is if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares or you have installed any third-party antivirus softwares on your Windows like the Malwarebytes, McAfee, or what the commonly known as the Avast. If you are using any of those, then we can try to temporarily disable that because that might interrupt or block the process or the application from being installed. So click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar. Here you can see that I'm using Malwarebytes. So in your case, it could be any of the third-party antivirus softwares. So what you can do, you just have to simply make a right click and then select quit Malwarebytes. By clicking on that option, that will temporarily disable the antivirus software, the third-party antivirus softwares. And after you have disabled it temporarily, try to install the Visual Studio again. And for the next method is we can run the system file checker scan. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type in here CMD. Command prompt, you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here we need to type this command SFC space / scan now. So it's the same thing as what you can see on the screen. It's SFC space / scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will fix for all or any system corrupted files. And then while the process is going on, you should not close the window. You need to wait for this until it is completed because there is no specific duration for this process. And once this is 100% completed, just simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, then try to install the Visual Studio again by this time. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.